Breaking news, traders. NorthFlow Finance AI just uncovered two explosive TSX stock signals, and we're diving in live, right now, on July 22, 2026. We're taking a closer look at BlackRock Silver, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker BRC.V, which has just triggered a very interesting signal, a moving average golden cross, accompanied by a significant volume surge. This is a stock that's definitely caught our attention, and we're excited to dive deeper into the details. With a current price of $1.01, let's see what's driving this movement. The golden cross signal is a strong bullish indicator, suggesting that the stock's short-term momentum is now outpacing its long-term trend. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is currently sitting at 54.5, which puts it firmly in neutral territory, indicating that the stock is not overbought or oversold, and there's still room for momentum to build. The volume surge of 115.5% is also a very encouraging sign, as it suggests that investors are becoming increasingly convinced about the stock's potential. This surge in volume tells us that there's a growing level of conviction among investors, which is always a positive sign. This volume change is certainly unusual, and it could be a sign that institutional investors are starting to take notice of BlackRock Silver. A surge of this magnitude doesn't happen often, so it's definitely worth paying attention to. Recent news suggests that BlackRock Silver is well positioned to deliver on its growth plans, which could be a major catalyst for the stock's recent movement. This is a company that's been making some significant strides, and it's likely that. We're taking a closer look at NovaGold, a stock that's caught our attention with a MACD bullish crossover, paired with a significant volume surge. This signal suggests a potential shift in momentum, and we're excited to dive deeper. The stock is currently trading at $8.73. The MACD bullish crossover is a strong indicator of a potential trend reversal, and when combined with a volume surge of 252.5%, it's clear that investors are taking notice. The current price of $8.73 is a key level to watch, and with an RSI of 45.8, we're seeing a neutral reading that suggests there's still room for momentum to build. The RSI is not in overbought or oversold territory, which is a good sign for potential buyers. The volume surge tells us that investors are conviction buyers, and this level of activity is a positive sign for the stock's outlook. This volume change is unusual activity, and it may signal that institutional investors are starting to take notice of NovaGold. The significant increase in volume could be a sign of a larger trend, and we'll be watching to see if this momentum continues. Recent news that NovaGold is set to acquire a stake in an Alaska gold mine from billionaire Paulson has likely contributed to the increased interest in the stock. This move could be a strategic play to increase NovaGold's holdings and potentially drive growth. Viewers should watch for a continuation of this momentum and a break above. Thanks for watching NorthFlow Finance. Subscribe for more, and remember, this is not financial advice. Consult a professional before making investment decisions.